Good day everyone. I would like to present you new application for mass and balance calculation, Aviation Weight and Balance Calculator. This application enables flight crew to perform all necessary weight and balance calculations on board the aircraft without paper load sheet. Unfortunately for the moment this feature will be enabled only for the Hawker and Falcon pilots. By launching the application you will be transferred to main menu. Here you can see the type of the aircraft and registration with them applicable crew composition. For example, Lima Yankee, Lima Tango Alpha 2 means 2 pilots. Lima Yankee, Lima Tango Alpha 2 plus 1 means 2 pilots and cabin attendant. Let's select the relevant option. You are now at the page where all entries of the relevant weights shall be entered. On the left top screen corner there is a button for a return to main menu. On the right top screen corner there is a button for the settings. By clicking on it you will be able to change some settings as speed unit, station details and graph details. It is recommended to leave everything at standard settings. The main feature from the settings section is clear inputs selection. By clicking on it all entries which were made previously will be erased. To hide the settings section click on the settings button once again. The screen shows you two main parts. Left side, part for the entries. Right side, the result of the entries on the envelope and warnings, if limits exceeded. Let's start from putting the relevant weights to the applicable location. Passenger section shows you the position of the seat. You can enter the weight manually by clicking on the relevant field or by clicking on blue circle with 3 horizontal black lines. Select the relevant weight for the male, female, child and etc. Baggage section shows you the location of the compartment. Enter the weights as applicable. Fuel on board section shows you fuel on the ramp. As applicable, enter the amount of the fuel at the relevant wing section. At the example there is a ventral tank as well. Taxi fuel section shows the consumed fuel during taxi. Finally, the en route fuel shows the amount of the fuel being consumed during flight from the relevant tank. For example, if the trip fuel is 5,000 pounds, it means that almost 1,500 pounds will be consumed from the ventral tank and 3,500 pounds will be consumed from the main wing tanks. Enter the data as applicable. After putting all the relevant entries you can move to the results section. On the right bottom screen press Summary. On this page you will need to perform final steps. Here you can see the envelope with the applicable weights and limits sections, as well on the bottom of the envelope you can see all your calculated entries with the applicable weights, arms and moments. On the right top screen enter the relevant data about the flight. Flight ID, captain, first officer and etc. Finally sign it and after cross-check, send. On the right top corner screen there is Settings button. By clicking on it you will have extra options for the settings, but it is recommended to leave everything as it is. The main feature which is useful for the pilots is to clear inputs and export summary. By clicking on Export Summary, you will be able to send it via email. Select appropriate mail application for the sending. Enter the email address charterjets.ops@gmail.com and send. As well you can add additional recipients. For example, handling company or other. As well you will receive the instruction manual for better application understanding and it will be as a reminder tool. Thank you for an attention.